Seriously, this vest is cute with anything. Okay, so I've had these overalls for a while, and I always think I'm going to be able to make them, but now I made the legs too small. So what I'm going to do is take them and make them into a vest like this. It'll be like a cute little jean vest with some little ties. Just kidding, I couldn't do it, and I wanted to use a darker wash anyway, so I have these jeans. And I'm just gonna open up the pants because I want to use this like down the front of the vest. It adds like a little bit of, I don't know. You'll see what I'm saying. So first I'm just gonna seam rip all the way down the opposite side of the jeans. So not this side where I want that to be showing, but on the inside seam. And I guess I could just cut it too. I might just do that. I opened up the pants, so now I have all of this jean to work with. And I'm going to lay out my pattern. So again, I kind of want that stripe going like right up the middle. But also I don't want it to be annoying when I'm like doing the shoulder, so just trying to figure out placement. Okay, so now I'm going to connect my pieces together. Since I don't have a liner with this, I'm going to connect the front of the pattern, and I just put a pin here to know which one is the front. And then since this doesn't have the same bottom, I'm leaving it a little bit longer so I can fix that. Or I might actually take some of this and like stitch it on the bottom in that area. I gotta see how this fits because this linen one is a little loose and I want it to be a little bit tighter. So here's the back, and you can cut it on a fold, but I did not, so I just have to stitch this up. And again, I'm gonna do these first, see how it fits, and then see how much, if I need to like take in any of the back. So right down here, here, with right sides facing together. Okay, so I'm doing it a different way because I kind of want it to look similar here. So I have the wrong sides facing, and I'm just going to do a stitch down here, and then I have the bottoms pinned, but I'm not sure if they're going to line up the way that I want them to, so I'm just going to stitch until about here on both sides, and then we'll connect the back and see. I'm just going to connect everything. Okay, so I finished this part, and I'm actually just working on like a liner since I'm not making it double-sided. I just want to be able to finish off these raw edges. So I have that over here. Just gonna stitch up so it's nice and finished. Almost done. Just gotta finish the outside here and then add the ties here and just serge the sleeves and fold them in to finish. I have the straps pinned where I want them, and I serged all around the edges of the sleeves. Just gonna finish that off. And then I just have to go in and do a stitch right along this seam to hold down all of this fabric. And I already did that all the way around here, but I stopped so I could put in the ties. And then I just need to add my tag. My top stitching looks great. So crisp. And this is what's left from those jeans. Okay, so I just finished. It's so cute.